Right, what we're looking at here is a 2005 United Motors Dual Sport 200 motorcycle. This thing's got brand new tires. The odometer, this thing's actually only got 368 miles on it. Only 368 miles on this unit. But whoever had put the miles on it before had taken it off-road quite a bit, just driven it around their neighborhood. But I mean, I did put a brand new back tire on it. I did have it totally serviced by the local Honda dealership. This is basically the same thing as a Honda. I think it's a 230. But like I say, it was just serviced, just had an oil change, just had new air filter, chain's been tightened, lube, all the brakes checked. I did put a new computer on it, had the clutch adjusted, put some different taillights on here. One of the taillights was busted, and it's got a LED taillight. Go ahead and show the LED taillight there, and we got the turn signals. Got the right and left turn signals. Crank it up, it cranks right up. It's got a brand new battery. I put a brand new gel battery in it. Sometimes it hesitates just a little bit on the starter, but there was a new starter put on it, so I don't know what that's called from. It's got electric start as well as a kick start. Run it right up the road a little bit. This thing will probably run 65, 50 miles an hour. Got a clear title in hand for it. Street legal.
I'm doing a video for YouTube.
Sorry.
Got to show on it. I mean, the thing's in pretty nice condition. Like I say, just serviced by the Honda dealership, and that's kind of what makes it important to me. But it is, if you have any questions, 423-987-4766. 423-987-4766.